Okay, we will quickly start with our session now. So, this story is about a fly who is very forgetful. She forgets everything, everything she forgets. You won't believe what all she can forget. I'll tell you. So, everyone, it's a warm welcome to Keep It Golden, the Tale Teller Show. So, everyone, are you ready? Show me your hands like this. Okay, perfect. So, hi, hello, and how do you do? Hi, hello, and how do you do? Let me welcome you. Are you all excited? I wiggle my finger and I wiggle my nose. Let us all smile because it is tale time. Okay, so this story is about a forgetful fly. She is very, very, very forgetful. She forgets everything. Shall we call the fly who is so forgetful? Everyone call
Yes.
the fly. Then only she is going to come. Call like this. Name?
Dumbo.
Dumbo. So what happens? This is Dumbo. Dumbo the fly. And she's so dumb, she forgets her name. She forgets herself that she's a fly. Can you forget this? Can you forget that I'm a girl or a boy? No, never. That is not at all possible, correct? I can never forget that I am a girl or I am a boy. Nobody can do that. So the story is now that this Dumbo, the fly, she forgets everything. She forgot her identity, that who she is. Can this happen? Can anybody forget? This fly who's sitting here, she forgets her identity. She forgets that who she is. She forgets everything. She forgets her name and also she forgets that she is a fly. So, how she forgot that? Do you know? Because on a festival day, she was cleaning her house. She was cleaning the home so nicely. After all the work she did, she just arranged her home in a very nice manner. She decorated it with diyas, candles, everything. And after she is done with everything, she is now tired. And now, by the end of everything, she forgets that who she is. Now, she is in the mid of everything and she forgets her identity. Now she is very sad that how can anyone forget their identity? But she forgot her identity, yes. And now what happened, She went over and over to everyone in the town. She went to everyone in the town to ask for her identity, that who she is, which she is clueless about. She has no clue of her identity now. Now she hovers in the entire town. Now, do you want to know how she hovers? I will say, but after I say one or two times, you will get to learn of what I am saying. So you all will say with me, but you will not be able to unmute, okay? But you should participate, okay? Then you will enjoy the story. Okay, let's begin. So now the fly is going and hovering, and she found a lady, the old lady who is making the food. This lady is making the food and her name is Pederesi Peddemma. Who she is? Pederesi Peddemma. She is an elderly lady, so that is how the fly is talking to this elderly lady as a lady to say Pederesi Peddemma. What she is calling her? Pederesi Peddemma. Correct. So she's calling her Pederesi Peddemma. So what she is saying? So now the fly comes here and she hovers and she reaches to Peddemma and asks, Pederesi Peddemma, do you know my name? Now Peddemma is like, oh, how can I know your name? I do not have any idea of your name. I don't know your name. Who are you? Now the bird is sad This fly doesn't know. She's sad and she is thinking, oh, she don't know my name. So she's saying, please think. I forgot my identity. I forgot my name. Can you please help me recognize my name back? So this Peddema says, see, even I am very old. I also can't speak much and remember much. Oh, you go to my son and ask your name from him. Maybe he knows your name. So the fly went to the Peddema's son. Now the fly went to the Peddema's son, and you know what she asked? Now she asked the son, Pederesi Peddema, the son of Peddema, do you know my name? Huh? The son is shocked. Oh, how do I know your name? Do I know you? I don't know you. Who are you? I have no clue about your name. How do I tell your name? You must tell your name to everyone. Anybody who meets us, we should tell our name. No, hi, I am Shivangi. Hi, I am XYZ. Whatever your name is, you tell us, correct? The other person has to tell, okay? But why are you asking your name to other persons? So she tells that I am so forgetful. I forget everything every time. And I have forgotten my name this time. And I'm very sad. I was cleaning my house for the festivities, but I forgot my name. The son is shocked. Peddema's son has no clue, but even he understands, correct? So he says, okay, I just use my axe to cut the tree. You go and ask the axe, maybe she can tell your name. Now the fly was already very tired, but still she's trying hard. Now she flew, hover, and she reached to the axe from which the Peddema's son has cut the tree just now. And now what she asked? She asked, Pederesi Peddema, the son of Peddema, the axe of Peddema's son, do you know my name? The axe replied, oh no, I cannot tell your name. I am an axe. My only job is to cut the trees by the boy who deals with me. How do I know someone's name? I have no clue about your name. I cannot tell. My only job is to cut the trees, and I do that perfectly. So I have no clue. But maybe that tree can tell you. The tree can tell you that what your name is. And because I just cut the branches, I just cleaned the tree because even the boy wanted to use me for his Diwali festivities. Again, the fly is sad, but still she's trying because she's feeling restless. She wants to know her true identity, right? And now she again goes. And you know what happens this time? This time again she goes to the tree, Mr. Tree, and again she says, Pederesi Peddema, Pederesi Peddema, the son of Peddema, the axe of Peddema's son, oh the tree cut by the axe, do you know my name? The tree wondered why she's asking the name to me. How can anybody ask their name to someone else? And Tree was clueless, and Tree replied, see, I have birds who are perching on me. You can ask the birds. I have no clue about who you are. Your identity can never be told by me. Please, you mind it. Now the fly has no option. She is Dumbo. She has no clue, and she is feeling sad too, that how she will manage to know her name. But she is still trying. And what is she saying? Now everyone will say with me on mute. Everyone, Pederesi Peddema. What's she saying? Pederesi Peddema, the son of Peddema, the axe of Peddema's son. Oh, the tree cuts by the axe. Oh, the birds perching on the tree. Do you know my name? The birds replied a big no. No, we don't know because we have just arrived. We went to the water to drink some water. We went to the lake and the bee said, please think. You may know my name. And if anybody from whom she was asking this question had no clue that she is not exactly asking the name, she's also asking for her identity. She only wanted the answer fly, that you are a fly. Everybody knew this answer, but everybody was not knowing that she doesn't know that she's a fly. She forgot this also, that she's a fly. She forgets her name and also that she's a fly. How is that possible? That's not possible. So nobody answered. Now, what happened? Now this sad fly, did she have any other option? No. She went to the lake. Yes, lake. She went to the lake and repeated the entire thing again. And now what she says? Pedressi Peddemma, the son of Peddemma, the ex of Peddemma's son. Oh, the trees cut by the egg. Oh, the birds perching on the tree. Very good. And then, oh dear lake, from which the birds drank the water, do you know my name? The lake replied, oh, how can someone come to me and ask the name? I am a lake. My only job is to supply water to everyone, give life to everyone. But I am not good at telling the names. I cannot tell your name. How do you expect me to tell your name? You tell me what your name is. And she tells, see, I am already very sad. I do not remember my name. I forgot that who I am. Can you please help me? So she said, okay, my child, I cannot help you, but you can ask the fish who's swimming in the water. She can answer your question. And now the fly again hovers and reaches to whom? And she reaches to the fish. And now she again repeats the same question. What that question was? Pedressi Peddemma, the son of Peddemma, the ex of Peddemma's son. Oh, the trees cut by the ex. Oh, birds perching on the tree. Oh, lake from where the birds drank the water. Dear fish swimming in the water, do you know my name? She says, do you know my name? And she's thinking, now I think, because I'm trying hard since a very, very long time, I think I can get to know my identity. My real identity may be told by them. Maybe I get to know that who I am. And she just saw here, saw there, and she was thinking maybe the fishes can tell, because fishes are swimming in the water the whole day and night. Maybe they are very silent and calm. They stay in the water only. They do not have the work of cleaning like I do have. So maybe they can tell. And she forces the fishes to tell her identity. She pleads the fishes, please think. I am forgetful, but not you are. You can tell me the name. You all remember her name, right? Are you forgetful like her? No? Yes. Okay. So what is the name? Just tell like that. What is her name? She is? Yes, Kavika wrote. She is Dumbo. Correct. She is Dumbo the fly. Correct. So now she's asking the similar question to everyone, but she's trying hard, okay? She is trying very, very hard. And she's just seeing that who she is. And now the fishes also replied. A big no. And the fly becomes sad. But she did not lose hope. She will still try, because try and try till you succeed. We all have heard this, correct? We should keep trying. We should never lose hope. Yes? So she will still try. And she asks the fishes, "Can you guide me? From whom should I ask for to know my true identity?" So the fishes replied, "You can ask the boy, the fisherman who came for fishing just now." Oh, she felt happy, and now she again hovers and goes. And now she reaches to whom? To whom she reaches? She reaches to the boy, the fisherman who went for fishing. And she asked the similar question again. Let's see if you all remember. Say with me. Pedresi Pedema. So Pedresi Pedema, the son of Pedema, or the ex of Pedema's son, or the trees cut by the ex, or the birds perching on the tree. Correct. And then, or the lake where the birds drank the water from, and the fishes swimming in the water. Correct. And the fisherman who went for fishing in the lake. Do you know my name? That is what she asks again. And the fisherman really wanted to answer, because he is a human being again, and he understands that she is in pain. She has talked to so many people. How many people she has talked? Yes, correct. Good, Sarthak, Kiana, Bharti, everyone is giving correct answer. So you all can count also, yes? Good. So he really wanted to answer her query, but he wanted to answer, but he doesn't know. He's seeing the fly for the first time. Who remembers a fly? There are so many flies in the sky all the time. So do you remember that which fly it is? Nobody of us remembers. But he wanted to solve her problem, as she was very sad and trying very, very hard. Correct? So he thought. He just put all his brain to give the answer, but he was he was unable to answer. And now he said, "Oh, I am Dumbo." So she is happy now. Okay, I remember there is something like Dumbo. What it is? I forgot what it is, but I have some connection with this word Dumbo. But still, she become hopeless, because she forgot that she's a fly also. She has forgotten this also, and she want to know that she is a fly also. And now she understands that there is some connection between word Dumbo and her name, but she is forgetful. So she again could not relate that who she is. And now, after spending so much of time with the fisherman, she quickly goes to someone to whom fisherman says to ask. So fisherman says, "Okay, now you can go and ask it to the horse." So she asked, "Why to the horse? You went for fishing, right?" But that person, the fisherman, said, "Yes, you are correct that I went for fishing. But how do I go for fishing? I sit on my horse and then I go for my fishing. So that is how my horse can answer your question. Go and ask the horse on which I went for fishing." So fly says, "Okay, I will still try. I will quickly go, because I think there is some connection between this word Dumbo and my name. But I am unable to connect it with it." So she flies. Again, she flies. And now she reaches to the horse. She reaches to the horse. Correct. Yes, she reaches to the horse. And now, who will tell me what she asks? Pedresi Pedema, the son of Pedema, the ex of Pedema's son. Oh, the tree cut by the ex. Oh, dear birds perching on the tree. Oh, lake from where the birds drank the water. Dear, dear fish who is swimming in the water. Oh, fisherman who went for swimming, who went for fishing in that lake. Oh, dear horse on which the fisherman went. Do you know my name? Can you tell me who I am? The horse was again amazed, and he was asking, why you asking your name to me? And I am not a human being who can remember everything. I am an animal. Like you are a fly, an insect, but I am an animal. I can't tell you your name. How do I tell your name? I don't know. So she again pleaded, please, can you please think and answer my problem? I'm very tired. Since morning I worked so much. I cleaned my entire home and I wanted to invite everyone as guests to my Diwali party because the festivities are around the corner and I forgot my name only. How do I invite people? So what should I do now? And now the horse was feeling her pain and he was still clueless. He could not answer her problem. And now this fly, and after pleading so much, this fly, what she did? She requested the horse to find the solution of her problem. And now what happens is she just asked, and the horse replied, see, I have a little baby with me in my tummy. So she wondered, why are you asking a baby who's not yet out that can answer the question? He told, because that's the God's child. Very silent, very concentrated, so focused. He may answer your question. So she thought that might be the horse is right. He must be thinking of a solution to help me out. Correct? So what happens now? What happens? That she forgets her pain and she quickly goes to the... Kiana, stop sharing the screen again and again. Why are you playing with your screen? Do not touch your laptop, please. Okay. So, what happened now? She went to whom? To the baby which horse had. Now she asked the similar question. And what it is now? The similar question was asked was... Okay. The question was, she asked that... Plaksha, stop that. Why everyone is doing this now? Okay. So, now she asked again. And she says... What she says? Pedresi Pedema, the son of Pedema, the ex of Pedema's son. Oh, the trees cut by the ex. Dear birds perching on the tree. Correct. Dear birds perching on the tree. And then the lake. Oh, the lake from where the birds drank the water. Oh, my dear fishes swimming in the water. Dear fisherman who went for fishing in the water. And the horse on which the fisherman went. Oh, the baby inside the horse's tummy. Do you know my name? I am so tired. I don't know my name. can you tell? I have some connection with something which fisherman told me, that is Dumbo. Can you tell? So the baby fumbled. And then what happened? Then baby fumbled, and then what happened after he was fumbling and he was like, and the Dumbo realized that there is another connection between Dumbo and and the baby says, oh fly, I don't know your identity, please don't ask me. And now the Dumbo became super happy and excited. Oh yes, baby, you are correct. I am a fly. You're telling me right. I was asking to everyone that I am a fly and nobody was able to tell me. Yes, I am Dumbo the fly. You are very, very correct. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you know my identity. And I was asking to Pedresi Pedema, the sun, the trees, the birds, the lake, the fishes, the fisherman, the horse, and I became so tired. How do I call everyone to the party today? I cannot call everyone to the party today now because I'm very, very tired. But she is very, very happy that she met the baby who could actually let her know about her true identity. So I'll quickly share the picture so that I can ask you a few questions. That what pictures? She is the Dumbo the fly. You all can see my screen? Thumbs up? Okay. She is Dumbo the fly who forgets her name, and she went to ask to everyone. She went to Pedresi Pedema, then she went to the son of her, and then to the eggs, and then to the tree, and then to the birds, and then to the lake, and then to the fishes, and then to the fisherman, and then to the horse, and by the end she went to the baby and she became super happy, and now she's flying cheerfully in the sky and she is very, very, very happy. Okay, everyone? So very nice. The moral of the story is we should keep trying, never give up. Very good, Irwin. We should always keep trying and we should never give up and not to lose hope, because if we really try hard, we always get the success or solution. Okay, do not lose hope. We are done with the story and our riddles.